Hello children, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am going to take class 6 and chapter we are doing is decimals. Decimals में हम लोग कर रहे थे exercise 8.4. We are going to start this. Before that I would like to say जिसने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें और लाइक करें. Okay, let's start with question number 1. We will do today question 1, 2 and 3 here. तो देखते हैं the very first question of this exercise 8.4. What you have to do, you have to express as rupees using decimals. देखो पहली बात तो ये क्लास 6 का है बट इन क्लास 5th ऑल्सो डेसिमल्स आर गिवन, तो दिस इज यूजफुल फॉर क्लास 5th ऑल्सो. Okay, so both the classes can watch this video and understand the decimals. क्योंकि ये conversions हैं, means you have to change पैसा into rupees. Conversions are in 4th, 5th classes also. So all the students of 4th, 5th can watch the video and get understand the decimals या फिर conversions. Okay, let's see. Express as rupees using decimals. So first is given पैसा. Pice is given to you. You have to convert it into rupees. So you know when smaller unit is converted into bigger unit, we are doing what? Division. Okay. So let's see. 1 rupee, you know, 1 rupee is equal to what? 100 paisa. This we know. Now 1 paisa equals to how many rupees? That is 1 upon 100 rupees. Right? 1 paisa equals to 1 upon 100 rupees. See, so you have to write over here what we know. We know 1 pice is equal to 1 upon 100. This also write down rupees. Rupees 1 upon 100. So what we have to do? We have to do here 5 paisa. 5 paisa is equal to what? 5 upon 100. Okay, this is rupees. 5 upon 100. हम divide कर देंगे इसको. We will get 5 upon 100. Now we have to use decimal here. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? This is 500. That means 0.05. This is rupees. Rupees 0.05. Okay children, so in this way you have to do the question. Let's see the second part. Second part is what? 75 paisa. So firstly you will write 1 pice is equal to rupees 1 upon 100. Okay, so 75 pice. So 75 pice is equal to what? 75 upon 100. Means what? 75 hundredth. That means when we will change it into decimal, ये rupees में हमने convert कर दिया, तो this is 0.75. Clear? Let's come to the C part. C part is what? 20 pice. 20 pice. That is equal to, see children, firstly you have to write we know, है ना? तो इसको हम लिखेंगे we know what? We know that 1 paisa is equal to rupees 1 upon 100. That means 20 paisa is equal to 20 rupees कर ले पहले, rupees 20 upon 100. That means 20 hundredth. That is equal to 0.20. This is rupees. So children, in this way you have to do the other parts. Okay, let's come to the fourth one. Okay, let's come to D part. That is 50 rupee 90 paisa. 50 rupees and 90 paisa. तो rupees is already in rupees. No need to convert. तो हम इसको लिख लेंगे, rupees को rupees रहने देंगे. Okay, this is 50 rupees plus पैसे को हमें कन्वर्ट करना है, सो पुट इट इनटू ब्रैकेट, दिस इज 90 अपॉन 100. 100 से डिवाइड करने से ही हमें रुपीज मिल रहा है. दैट मीन्स दिस इज इक्वल टू 50 प्लस व्हाट 0.90. Okay, that means that is equal to rupees 50.90. Here is our answer. Let's come to the next, that is 725 पैसा. 725 पैसे को जब हम रुपीज में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, we will get 725 divided by 100. This we have converted. कन्वर्ट कर लिया तो 725 लिखने के बाद this is 100th place. That means after two number decimal places there. That is rupees 7.25. So in this way, first question is over. Let's come to our second question, that is express as meters using decimals. Okay children, let's come to the second question. This is what? Express as meters using decimals. ठीक है, अब हमें क्या करना है, मीटर्स में इसको कन्वर्ट करना है. व्हाट इज गिवन हियर? सी, सेंटीमीटर इज गिवन हियर. सो वी नो दैट 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू व्हाट 100 सेंटीमीटर. ये हमें पता है. बट हियर व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट स्मॉलर यूनिट टू बिगर यूनिट. दैट मीन्स 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा, 1 अपॉन 100 मीटर हो जाएगा. Means we have to divide 100 by 1. Okay, let's come to now the parts. See the first part, this is 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter है, तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? Yes, we know that 1 centimeter, आप इसको ब्रैकेट में यहाँ करके लिख सकते हो. That is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon what 100 meter. Okay, then write down 15 centimeter is equal to 15 upon 100 meter, right? This is equal to, देखो 15 upon 100, that means what, 1500th, that means 0.15 meter. दो नंबर के बाद डेसिमल लगाया, this is 0.15. Okay, let's come to its B part. See what is written, 6 centimeter. Again the same thing, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. तो हमने चेंज कर दिया, that is 6 centimeter is equal to क्या हो जाएगा, 6 upon 100 मीटर में चेंज हो जाएगा. This is equal to 600th, that means 0.06 meter. Clear? Let's come to its third part, that is 2 meter and 45 centimeter. Already it is given in meter. So firstly you just write 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Okay, let's come to the question now, that is 2 meter 45 centimeter. This is equal to 2 meter plus, अब सेंटीमीटर में जो है उसको हमने कन्वर्ट करना है, तो दिस अपॉन दिस, राइट? दिस इज इक्वल टू 2 meter plus 0.45 meter. This is equal to 2.45 meter, right? So children, in this way you have to do the questions. First, second and third part I have done for you. I think the other parts you can do by yourself. D part is just similar to C part, and E part is also similar. I'm just doing the E part. So look here, this is E part. E part is given to you, that is 419. 419. What is given? This is centimeter only. Yes, centimeter is given to you. This is equal to क्या हो जाएगा, 419 upon 100 meter. This is equal to 419. 100th है. This is point here, and this is this much meter. So in this way. Okay children, let's come to third question. This is expressed as centimeter using decimals. Here you can see what is given to you, millimeter is given to you. So 1 millimeter, millimeter is smaller unit, 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. Just keep in mind and do the questions. Millimeter to centimeter जाएंगे तो that is 1 divided by 10 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to what? 10 millimeter. ठीक है, जब bigger unit to smaller unit जाते हैं we are doing multiplication, smaller to bigger जाएंगे we are doing division. See, the very first part, that is 5 millimeter, this is equal to what? 5 divided by, किससे divide करेंगे? 10 से करेंगे and then it is converted into centimeter. हमें इसको किस में change करना है? Decimal बनाना है. तो 5 upon 10, 5 tenths, that means 0.5 centimeter. Right? Let's come to the B part. This is what? 60 millimeter. तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? 60 divided by what? 10 millimeter to centimeter change करना है. अब ये centimeter बन गया. Now change it into decimal. 60 tenth, that means 60 and this is point here. So this is equal to centimeter. Let's come to the third part. 164 millimeter, that is equal to 164 divided by 10 millimeter to centimeter. This is equal to what? 164 and after 1 just put point. This is what? 16.4 centimeter. So children, in this way you have to do the question. Let's do the other two parts. Okay children, let's come to the D part, that is 9 centimeter 8 millimeter. You have to change into centimeter. तो 9 centimeter पहले से ही है तो इसको हम change नहीं करेंगे. Plus what is given 8 millimeter, तो we have to change this. This is divided by 10. अब ये बन गया centimeter. Now what is your answer? 9 centimeter plus 0.8 centimeter. 8 tenths, that means 0.8. This is equal to 9.8 centimeter. Okay, 9 is the whole number, so 9 decimal के पहले आएगा and decimal part is pointed, just put it afterward. This is 93 millimeter है, millimeter to centimeter change कर देंगे, divided by 10 आ जाएगा. This is equal to 9.3. Why? Because 10th. That means, okay. So in this way children we have completed question number 3, question number 4 and 5. Next class में करते हैं. Till then, goodbye. Subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day children.